We are doing industrial robotics.
So industrial robotics and systems.
Industrial robotics and systems
Focuses on developing the understanding of industrial robots and how they move and interact with their environments and understand where they are and what they're doing.
Where we use simulator.
I already forgot. The next question, I already forgot.
Tim Apple has made a warehouse where we are sorting fruit packages. The fruit packages come on a conveyor and we are using robots to sort them onto the warehouse shelves.
It's a pineapple warehouse where it's a factory that deals with fruits and pineapples, and it's not just pineapples, bananas, different things. And this robot is basically sorting it. So conveyor belt comes in with the different fruits, and then we're tasked with basically making the factory work. So we need to do the conveyor belt, have it move around, have the fruit stop at different sections, and then we have to have the robot autonomously move there, grip the fruit, sort them. Yeah, basically we're just making the factory work from scratch.
It's fun and it's interesting to work with real world problems and being able to actually create solutions that could work in the real world.
More than any other unit, this is where we've really learned how to use Linux.
We learned a bit about PLCs, automating simple conveyor systems, doing counters, timers, all that kind of jazz.
It has real world application. I've actually recently done an application where it's like, what skills do you have? And it mentioned doing PLCs. And I'm like, I learned how to do that last week. I'm putting that on.
And then we went into ROS, where we automated little robots to go through a factory and map it and autonomously drive through and navigate.
This is the one unit where, like, in my opinion, we've really developed the practical skills to actually coding robots and different autonomous systems.
Every week there's like a new tutorial which teaches you a new thing, and it can range from having great success on that or maybe having to touch up on that over the weekend.
The labs are a bit stressful because we only have 2 hours to get all the stuff done.
It's organized chaos. It's very satisfying when you manage to complete all the tasks.
Look, it's been difficult, but it's been fun. I would say that it's very rewarding. Like within the 2 hours of the tutorial, it's a bit challenging, but you know the tutors are great, and you just once you get it done and figure out how to do it, it's pretty rewarding.
It has an immense pressure and then like a very satisfying conclusion.
It feels like you're just navigating through a challenging maze instead of just hitting a wall constantly and trying to bash through it.
But it is extremely interesting, and I know that this content does relate to what will be happening in the industry. So it isn't just something small, it's proper stuff that I'm actually very interested in learning.
What do you think about the factory CEO Tim Apple?
Tim Apple, it's a great man.
He really looks after his employees, aka the one robot that he has.
Lots of problems in his factory, so yeah.
He's a satisfactory boss.
Yeah. Yeah. He does the job well enough.
Tim Apple is great. I would never say anything bad about Tim Apple. Tim Apple is our overlord.
He Tim cooked before he Tim Appled.
Yeah. Tim cooked before he Tim Apple.